There we go.
All right, so you got one more in the corner. No, in the corner. Yeah, wrong hole. Just turn it backwards. Yeah. No. Go to your left. Yeah, there you go.
Sorry, my bad.
That's okay. Just don't do it again.
Oops.
Upside down, huh?
Yeah. Hate it. Oops.
Those are tricky. They jump away from you, don't they?
Just like a spring bouncing out of your hand.
Yeah.
Doink, 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 and it bounces all over the floor.
Yeah.
Hey, where'd my hole go? Ah! There it is. I lost it. Alright.
Remember, you don't have to mash too hard when you're getting it started. You just want the teeth of the screw to bite into the wood.
What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Yeah.
Good job.